Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings, or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 138. So here it is. Let's read the story. Ian and Akshu are having difficulty to express their feeling, especially right now that Akshu seems to be getting jealous. Look at the two of them. Ian also. She really can explain to her clearly. Well, that's why Akshu right now has been so sad. Probably, she was really shocked when seeing the photo of the man. And Jian seems to be happy. Now, Akshu, she put her phone down. Probably she wanted to think too much. Even though Jian was explaining to her, well, she was only staring at the phone. Well, this is not good. You don't want to listen to her. Of course, she might really interpret that Jian was only with the friends, with lovers or so on. Thank you for notifying me in time, Jian said to Akshu. But right now, you. He was trying to ask her, how did you know that? What happened to my dad? Oh, this is really tough. How can Akshu tell her that someone who's watching over her parents for the past years? But it turns out, Akshu, she can really tell her what happened. Akshu said to her, I investigated you, even though it seems that she was having difficulty to tell her about what she's done for the past year. Well, for now, Anyan has her pride and self-esteem. Sure enough, Akshu said to herself, well, maybe Yan she will really get angry on her. That's why, right now, she was hesitating. But there's no way to accept this. Now, hearing her condition, well, what could it be? What will Yan will do to her? She's going to get angry without her consent to do this kind of infringements of your privacy. Akshu said to Jian, well, it seems that she's not so angry to her. Oh, Akshu said to her, sorry. She was really feel sorry. Akshu, you don't need to apologize to me, Jian said to her. Well, at least right now, she's not so much angry on hers. But Jian, she was really willing to hear explanations. Yan said to her, I don't really blame you. And also, oh, this is really exciting. How can Yan said it to her? The result is not bad either. Just, you have clearly promised. Oh, this thing. I'm just for a while. Some I'm comfortable. I will learn to be honest. But Anne, since her feeling, she can really having difficulty to express her thoughts and also tell her something. This has happened. It was clearly a misunderstanding. Yanyan said to her, I don't like you to get me to know on this way. If you have anything you want to know, why can't you trust me more? Also, you can ask me directly, Yuyan said to Jingshu. Well, she was right. You don't need to follow or investigate her, know more about her. Instead, she can really ask her for these things. Now, it really makes sense. You have to ask me everything, and you're willing to tell me, right? Now, Jingshu was screaming. Of course, for her, she was really upset to know these things. I ask you, will you tell me frankly? Well, I ask you. Jingshu, she continued to ask her. Well, Yuyan seems to be so sad at this moment. About Lu Fang. Now, Akshu's hand, it was really shaking. For her, she really wanted to ask about Lu Fang, and she got really curious about him. At this moment, it seems that she was really jealous about him. He's really just your mother's good friend, son. Akshu, she asked her again. This girl, even though they're really far away right now, you can sense that she was really sad at this moment. Well, it seems that she's going to cry, right? Waiting for Yanyan's response. Well, maybe she got really afraid of. Let's see on what's gonna happen if Yanyan can really tell her everything. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!